everyone, my name is Jason. I'm a men's grooming product enthusiast. I'm going to tell you guys a little bit about this particular product, what you can expect it to do for you, how to use it. I'm going to show you how I apply it to my beard and tell you some do's and don'ts involving beard balm. So first off, this product here that I was sent, cool product. It's got a mild fragrance. It's got the Outback scent right here. I love the container, okay? Slides. Use this one a little bit here, the bigger one. It also comes in the smaller size, right? So this one here is $22, and this one here is $13.50. This is a 2.75, and this is a 1.5 ounce container. So well priced, considering the fact that these are hand poured, no synthetic ingredients, made from natural ingredients, and the top 3 ingredients are beeswax, mango butter, and shea butter. So quality ingredients. It's got a really nice consistency to it. Because it does have the wax in it, that's really cool because it's going to help with flyaway control with your beard. It's going to give you a little bit of styling power beyond just a beard balm that's mostly full of butters. It's going to help the hairs kind of stay in place a little bit better than some other balms would too. Outback scent is what I have here. It is very mild fragrance, so it's a great gift to buy for someone because it does not have very woodsy, floral, citrusy. It's not over the top in any one area of the scent spectrum. So I like this product. I like the way it smells. It's very mild, and I like that. I don't want something that's super strong. It might sit next to my face, nor does my wife. As you can see here, I have my hair. I got a pomade in today, right? So my beard has nothing in it, all right? And to go with this slick hairstyle that I kind of have going today with how I'm dressed, I do want to put some balm into my beard to kind of help control it a little bit, and I'm gonna demo how to do that in a little bit. So I'm gonna simulate having a slightly damp beard. I have a little bit of water here, okay? And I'm just gonna spray a little on my beard, get it a little bit damp to start. Then I'm gonna apply my beard oil. I'm going to get it on my fingertips and work it up into my beard, onto my skin beneath. So my beard is clean, damp, and has a little bit of oil that I applied to my skin. Now I'm going to apply the balm. Next, I'm going to take a wide tooth comb or a wider tooth comb and start brushing my beard down. Afterwards, I'm going to take more of a fine tooth comb to finish it up. Okay, so this already looks better than before. There's a nice little shine to my beard. The hairs are a little bit better managed, but I'm going to add a little bit of the mustache wax to my mustache and even to my beard to finalize the styling. All right, so here's the finished product. I have my hair already styled previously. I started with a clean beard, and I used a little bit of oil to start, then the balm, and then I added a little bit of wax at the end just to help control some of the flyaways I get on the sides here and also into my mustache. All right, guys, so there you have it, my final look. Okay, come closer. Thank you for taking time out of your day to watch this video. I hope you found part of this helpful for you guys. Thanks again for watching. Have a good rest of your day.